Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah, there you go. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Something like that.
Okay, let me try again. Hey guys, welcome back.
Welcome back.
Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I think good.
Hey guys, no for all this time. Hey guys, welcome. So today is Valentine's Day. And it just so happens that Texas is under a snowstorm type weather situation. So
Icy roads.
Icy roads, snowy roads, and you know Texas, we're not used to this stuff, so I don't think a lot of people are driving right now. So we decided to stay in tonight. We decided to make our own Valentine's dinner for today that hopefully somebody's gonna help me with. So I think we're gonna start off with making some strawberries right now so that they can be ready for the afternoon. We're just gonna show you guys how we make everything today and how our little dinner goes later on today. And I actually wanna show you guys outside because it looks super pretty. But yeah, that's basically what this video is going to be. So if you are interested in seeing our little DIY homemade dinner for Valentine's, then just keep on watching. It's snowing.
It snowed maybe what, like 2 months ago? It snowed 2 months ago, but it definitely didn't snow like this. Not for us anyways. Our whole cars are covered up.
Okay, so I have the strawberries here all nice and washed. So I just need to dry them off first. Make sure they are completely dry. So first we gotta dry up all the strawberries, babe.
Dry them?
Because the moisture will mess up the chocolate. Okay, you can try this one because I think this is easier to dip.
Okay, I want the harder one.
No. This one's mine. Grab the green.
I gotta watch you first.
Okay, yeah. Grab the green so you don't dip the green part in there. And then you can tilt this. Just dip and twist so it's all covered. Excess tap off. Yeah. And then you can sit it down.
Try to bake them?
No.
Oh.
Just put it on there so they can set. Like that.
No, the white one's a lot thicker, huh?
It doesn't melt like that one does. A ver? Wow. There. And go.
Man, like a pro.
Oh, sorry. Something like that? That's too thick to do that. I'm telling you, it's too thick. You'll listen. Honey.
Whoa.
And dip it in the pink.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
Well, I didn't think that was a good idea either, and you still did it.
And then half.
And then quarters, and then a half. Like that. Potatoes in medium heat. And And then I'm just gonna put some salt in there. Some salt water. I'm gonna drain out the water out anyways.
So 1 garlic, what are those called?
Garlic clove.
1 garlic clove, 3 potatoes. and
Well, I
salt.
only put 3 potatoes because it's just me and you.
Oh, otherwise it'd have been a lot more.
Yeah. We'll let that cook, and then that way we can start making the steaks later. So I'm gonna season the steaks with plenty of salt. And I'm trying to make it like Del Frisco's. And I saw online that they just like put a shitload of pepper. They use like really good quality pepper. So I got this grinder. And you just want to like go in. And when you cook pepper, apparently, it makes it more mild. So it doesn't taste like crazy.
Can you help, baby? Can you help? Bam, bam, bam.
Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so we are gonna make our Valentine's Day cocktail.
Alright, so I know it requires
I'm
some
getting
of
on
this.
Pinterest because I saved it on Pinterest. It's called the Love Potion.
The love potion. I'll tell you what. Damn, baby. Look at this one.
I know. Use the one we just bought.
I know, but why did I get it?
So you need 4 ounces of vodka. So I think like a shot cup is an ounce, no? Isn't that how it works?
So
Or is a shot cup 2 ounces?
that's not a shot cup. That's yours.
Okay, Alexa, is a shot cup an ounce?
Here's something I found on the web. According to reference.com, however, in many alcoholic mixed drinks, 1.25 ounces of hard liquor is considered a shot.
Okay. So yeah, a shot is an ounce. So use that.
But don't you think these are bigger than these?
Yeah, but I don't think this is a shot. You don't think these are too big to be shots?
I think this is a shot. I think this is too little to be a shot.
Okay, if it's too strong though.
We'll be alright.
Okay.
So a shot of what?
4 ounces of vodka. So four of these of vodka.
Okay.
1. Okay.
That's 4 for your way.
4 ounces, and then 2 ounces of cranberry juice.
That's 2 shots.
2 shots of cranberry juice. And 2. And then 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. One ounce of orange juice. A splash of grenadine.
Splash.
Maybe a little bit more.
2 splashes.
Okay. So this is our cocktail mix, and we're gonna shake it up later when we're ready to drink it. Add some ice and pour it.
Nothing coming up. Yes, okay.
So I have a cast iron and I have some olive oil in there. I'm gonna let that get hot before I place the steaks. And then once you place the steak, you don't want to touch it for at least several minutes on each side. Get a good crust. So to the mashed potatoes, we're gonna add just a little piece of cream cheese. About half a stick of butter. I'm I'm just eyeing this. And then some heavy cream.
Tell me how much.
Just start with very little, because you can always add more, but you can't take it away if it gets too watery. And then spush that in there. Some crushed pepper. And you can add a pinch of salt in there. Another one. And then smush that all together. Garlic and rosemary.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring, ring, my phone again. It's you, it's 3 a.m. I think you feel the same, babe. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out